the general construction, infrastructure, road construction, industrial application, solid waste management, agricultural application. Go for Bobcat white machines. The white beast, the best white machines in the market. If you ask who's that, we are Bobcat. Over 100 plus attachments with multiple configurations to choose from. Variety of we are dream lifters, we are inventors, we are one tough animal, and we are none other than Bobcat. 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 Bobcat comes with various attachments which can be attached and also can be detached very easily. Here we go with the Pallet Fork. The Pallet Fork are ideal to handle any kind of bulky or bag material from bricks, concrete, construction material, fertilizer, seeds and animal feed. They are very handy when working in tight and narrow areas. Up goes with the next attachment, that is Bucket Grapple. Bucket Grapple is built up for reliability and endurance. It can easily handle scrap, waste, brush and other hard to manage materials. And you can see the happy faces of our operators. How happy are they while operating this great white machines. Bobcat breakers offers high performance, low maintenance and are easy to use. All breakers feature a frame with a silicone. And this is the combination bucket attachment. The 6-in-1 attachment can be used as a bucket for loading, dumping, gripping, dosing, leveling and spreading material with the clamshell open. See how easily, evenly you can do your job so easily. And look at the engine design, it's so compact and it's so sleek, well designed to meet all the So this is a Bobcat Salute, Bobcat Namaste to all the beautiful people over here who have come and watched this great performance